Dear students, our next chapter is second and chapter name is types and care of teeth. How many types of our teeth and how we can take care of our teeth. Teeth are very important part of our body. They are used to cut, bite, etc. Now, teeth are very important part of our body. Okay, they are very important for our body. So we have to use our teeth where? For cut food, for bite food, etc. There is an important role of teeth in keeping someone healthy. Teeth are fixed to upper and lower jaw. बच्चे, so teeth is an important, very important for our health. We can chew and bite food na with the help of teeth. So it is an important. And teeth are fixed to upper and lower jaw. See बच्चे, we in our mouth have two jaw. There is a upper jaw and lower jaw. So teeth are fixed in upper jaw also and lower jaw also. They help us to chew the food well by breaking the food into smaller pieces. Bete, we have eat food na. So if we are eating food, so that food chewed by our teeth. So when we chew it, then it become to a very small piece. So it is easily to move inside our mouth. So chewing also makes saliva to flow into the mouth. So easily flowing food inside our mouth. Important function of the teeth. Now how many important function of the teeth? They help us to bite and chew our food. With the help of teeth, we have to bite and chew our food. Second is they help us to cut anything. We can cut anything with our mouth. They give natural shape to our face. So teeth are giving a natural shape to our face. So they help us to speak also. Now types of the teeth. First is milk teeth. Babies are born without teeth. See बच्चे, if a small baby come, then have you seen their inside their mouth teeth have? Not have. Born baby teeth not have. Okay, so babies are born without teeth. Within the first year, their teeth start to grow. When it become to 1 year na, then their teeth become started. So by the time they are 3 years old, they have their first set of teeth. Bache, see, when the baby become a 3-year-old, then first set of their teeth will appear. So these teeth are called milk teeth, or we can say temporary teeth. So there are 10 teeth in each jaw. Each jaw means upper jaw and lower jaw. And total teeth are 20. So there are 3 types of milk teeth. Now the types of milk teeth, how many? There is 3 types. Incisors, canines and premolars. So these 3 types of milk teeth or temporary teeth. Because here written 10 in each jaw. So in each jaw 10 which present? Incisors how many? 4 upper jaw and 4 lower jaw. So total is 8. Canines 2 upper jaw, 2 lower jaw. There is a 4. And premolars 4 upper jaw and 4 lower jaw. So total teeth is 20. 10 upper jaw and 10 lower jaw. Now this is the important that enamel is the hardest substance in our body which cover teeth. Bete, see, which holding our teeth na, that is enamel, and that is the very hardest part. That is very hardest part of our body. Now permanent teeth. Firstly we discuss about that milk teeth. Now permanent teeth. between the ages of 6 and 12 years, the milk teeth fall out one by one. See बच्चे, when you become a 6-year-old ना, 6 up to 12-year-old, your milk teeth fall out one by one. So new one grow in their place. When your one by one teeth fall down, then a new one set coming. Okay, new one grow in that place. There are 28 teeth in this set. When you become a 13, 14, 15-year-old, then your how many teeth are come? That 28. 4 more teeth come out between the age of 20 and 25 years old. When you become 20 to 25 years, then 4 more teeth grow. That teeth are called wisdom teeth. We can say that understanding teeth. And our grandparents say na, that it's your akal jad, like that they will speak na. So that is understanding teeth. All human beings have same number of teeth. All human beings having a same number of teeth. How many? There is a 32. 16 there is a upper jaw and 16 there is a lower jaw. Now the types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth. First is incisor, second is canine, premolars and molars. First is incisor. These are front and flat teeth. See, there is an incisor teeth have. This is these are front and flat. This is the front teeth our. Okay, and also a flat teeth have. They have a sharp edge. See, they have a sharp edge, and which are used to cut and bite the food. With the help of incisor teeth, we have to cut and bite the food. So they are called also cutting teeth. Now second is canines. On the each side of cutting teeth, after this incisors. Okay, there are 2 pointed teeth in each jaw. 2 upper side and 2 lower side. Canines. See the picture of canines. They are used for tearing and grabbing the food. They are also called tearing teeth. See बच्चे, with the help of canines we have to tear and grab the food. Grab means hold the food. Okay, with the help of these teeth we can hold and we can tear the food. They are also called tearing teeth. Third is premolars. There are 2 broad teeth on each side next to the canine. In each jaw there are 8 premolars. They help to crack hard food into smaller pieces and to crush and grind the food. See बच्चे, premolars. This is the shape of premolars, and there is a 2 broad teeth. These are 2 broad teeth. After this broad teeth, there are 2 broad teeth on each side next to that canines na. After that this premolar. So there are 8 premolar have. 8 premolars present inside our mouth. 4 upper side and 4 lower side. So they have to crack hard food. With the help of premolar teeth we can eat hard things. Hard things you will eat na, nuts, like a nuts you can eat that very hard na. So with the help of premolar teeth we can eat that. And also that crack hard food and into smaller pieces. Okay, premolar help to food into small piece and to crush and grind the food. And also we can crush and grind food with the help of premolar teeth. So they are also called grinding teeth. So grinding means in the form of powder. When we eat anything, then it make a powder form inside our mouth with the help of premolar teeth.